You've probably seen videos talking about how AI is taking over YouTube, but honestly, the most annoying part of it right now is clicking on a video and getting hit with that robotic AI auto-dubbing, especially for languages you actually understand. It completely ruins the vibe. Now, creators can see exactly how this works in their studio dashboard. YouTube is automatically generating and publishing these audio translations for dozens of languages. Creators have control on their end, but what if you just want to turn it off as a viewer? There is actually a permanent fix for this. From your YouTube homepage, just click your profile picture up in the top right corner and scroll down to click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left side and click on the Playback and Performance tab. Right here under the Language section, click on Add or Edit Languages. This brings up a massive checklist. Basically, if you check a language here, like French or German, YouTube marks it as preferred and stops trying to auto-dub it for you. If you want to kill the AI dubs entirely, just spend a minute checking every box on this list and hit Confirm. It takes a second, but it completely fixes your viewing experience. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.